Santosh.
Okay, so these are the lines which are running on the rack. One is 24 PG 0211, and other are instrument that utility lines. Another is 24-inch PG, and one more
Process gas.
6-inch
That is process gas.
process gas, and this may be flare gas 6-inch line. Then this is vent gas line 8-inch, and IG for 8-inch, and then 18-inch IG. Apart
Okay.
from that, nitrogen plant air instrument air lines are there 2-inch.
Okay. Sorry, Santosh, I have some small question here. The line on which you are going to put dew point analyzer and S2S analyzer, nearby that line, what is the minimum distance or maximum distance of the nearest pipeline? I mean, 1 meter, 10 meter, or a half a meter?
So these are on the rack, and maybe this dimension wise, if you see, there will be within 1 meter. These other lines are there.
No, no. The distance from the skid to the pipe rack you're talking about?
You want to see
Uh,
the dimension from skid to pipe rack?
I think, Rakesh, I mean, what is my understanding? Since we are going to work in the brownfield and we are going to have either hot tapping, I do not know. And nearby that facility, you have operational equipment. So during construction, we have to protect our construction people. The same time, we have to protect our live equipment. So I want to know that nearby facility, nearby this proposed location, what is the live equipment? I think somebody is
Let's
raising the
say,
hand. Okay.
yeah.
So that whole layout, vendor layout, I just want to show.
No, see, this
Yeah.
live equipment, we have only big launcher receiver. If you go up,
Mm.
go up with this pipeline.
Installing this